Okay, it's PJ Manson live. Yes, okay. We are live on Mabert Road, watching the Saturday morning battle. Tommy, the Bold, is up against some scruffy thing. We get a better view here. Tommy is really brave this year. He really is. He was like bottom of the. This year, he's like sitting there looking at Clyde, going, "You want to go?" Yes, right. Joe says everything is gay. Joe may be gay. Oh, well, let me see. I think we'll have a stalemate. Oh, Tom. Now you're going to. Oh, I see what you say. You're going to lose the battle here. No, you put yourself vulnerable here. What was the one last year? Was that it was, which one was it? I can't, we get so many cats. It was Cuddles. Cuddles was a screamer. Well, Scoop Johnson, we may have to pause this and let you come outside and take over this. But this is stalemate. Neither one of these guys wants to. You're just gonna sit here and do this all day. Wow, y'all see the tiniest head movements. Ooh! I don't know who. Uh-oh, Tommy, you put yourself in a predicament here. You should have moved forward. Oh. Ouch. Ow. They're gonna have to, this is ugly. Check this out, Scoop. You ain't never got nothing like this. I'm gonna try to get a better view here. Sorry about the interruption. I wish I had some music. Do. And then we can go here and get lower battle. Oh, don't let me interfere, guys. This is just PJ Manson. Oh, yeah. Round 2. Tommy's got better make the move. He's got to. If he lets this, you lose, Tommy. Go, Tommy. You better go. Sorry, I'm showing favoritism and bias, but oh, good move, Tommy. Even if you get your butt kicked, that was pretty good. Round 3. Both look like they may have had enough. Tommy's trying to back off slowly. He said, "But about you." Oh, you fucked up, Tommy. You should have went. Now you gotta fight it out. They're getting tired. It's very stressful. Who will get the swing? Oh, well, that's, uh-oh. Tommy's got him, but he's cornered. Here comes Clyde. Clyde don't want none of this. I think Clyde's getting old and retiring. Huh? Oh, is it the gray and white one? He's gray. This one's gray, though. Tiger, more tiger than the black one. I know which one you're talking about. This isn't Clyde's son. Clyde's son's sitting in the window. Here, I'll show him. I'll put him on the video. There's the up and coming young fighter there. Clyde Jr. I don't know what they name him, but that's Clyde Jr. there. He will always be known as Clyde Jr. once he starts fighting. We're in round 5 of this title fight here for supremacy on Mabert Road. Clyde's hanging out, but he wants no part of this. Tommy, you are not in a good position, buddy. You are not good here. Will he listen? No. He is It is no fuck around this year. This is gonna be ugly here. They're backed against the corner. We're gonna call that TJ just for Tiger Jr. because I have no idea whose kid that is. You know they're fighting over you too. Well, they're howling. Can we have a draw here? We will go to the scorecards. Guys out of breath? Here comes. Oh no! Oh, that was round 6 starts. Tommy lived to fight another day, buddy. Oh, you got a big tick on you too. See, there's a tick on the right forearm. We'll have to get your trainer to get that off later. What are you doing, Tommy? Yep. All right, and decision to TJ. That was PJ Manson with your local Saturday fights.